Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with CD Baby. Thinking about using CD Baby to distribute your music? This honest review is a must-watch. If you're a musician seeking a reliable platform for global music distribution, CD Baby is a name you'll frequently encounter. But does it truly live up to the hype? Is it a worthwhile investment of your time and money? Let's explore CD Baby's offerings and determine who it best serves. CD Baby primarily caters to independent artists seeking a streamlined method to get their music onto major platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. A key differentiator between CD Baby and its competitors is its one-time fee structure. Pay a single fee to upload your music, and CD Baby manages the distribution indefinitely. This is particularly appealing for musicians who prefer not to be burdened with recurring subscription costs. The platform also boasts a comprehensive suite of features, including physical CD and vinyl sales, sync licensing opportunities for film and television, and global publishing administration for royalty collection. However, it's important to note that CD Baby levies a 9% commission on digital sales, a factor to weigh carefully if you anticipate substantial sales volume. One of CD Baby's most compelling features is its extensive global distribution network, spanning over 150 platforms and territories, ensuring your music reaches a broad international audience. You'll also gain access to analytics and reporting tools to monitor your streaming numbers and sales performance. On the downside, CD Baby's user interface can feel somewhat dated and less intuitive compared to some competitors, potentially resulting in a slight learning curve for new users. For emerging or independent artists seeking a comprehensive, all-in-one solution without recurring expenses, CD Baby presents a compelling option. However, if you prioritize frequent releases and updates, a subscription-based service like DistroKid might be a more suitable fit. Overall, CD Baby provides solid value, particularly for long-term distribution needs. If you desire lifetime control over your music without the constraints of monthly fees, this platform could be the answer. Just remember to consider the commission fees and the slightly less user-friendly interface before making your final decision.